Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 17th of March 2014 market review. Friday, the American markets, the Dow, the S&P, and the Nasdaq, they actually closed in a negative Friday evening. The Dow closed 43 points negative on a level of almost 16,065 points. Looking at that end of day chart, you will basically see the blue line will be the channel here. I've got red lines here for Fibonacci's. This green line, that was the first support level being tested and broken at this moment, so it's going a bit lower. You see this red line? That will be your 89-day moving average. That's on the 16,000 level. Crucial to remember now. 16,000. If it's going to be broken downwards, your next low will be 15,892 points. What will this mean? If it comes further down, test the red line, it could bounce and go further up, but the next support level shows 15,892 will be the next support. Take note, if this happens, markets will definitely go lower. Ukraine has got a big factor playing into the markets at this moment, negative down movement. Most probably today, that's Monday, we will start getting figures out if this referendum was how it was taken by the markets and the world major leaders. So let's keep a close eye on how this will play out. Going back to the newsletter, as you can see, the Nasdaq was also a bit negative and the S&P 500 also a bit negative. The American futures are currently showing a bit of negative as well as in Asia. We need to see how the Americans will open during the course of the day, and that will have a big effect on our market playing. Shares to look at is Gold Fields. Blue line is share price, line A, it's a very important level there. Please take note, line A will be approximately about 45 Rand. Previously in the newsletter, it was a good opportunity to get in. The share did went up. Currently there's a double top forming here, just close to line A here. That means that the share could come down very soon. For traders in the share, if the share comes close here to the 45 Rand again, that could be most probably an exit level. For traders that's looking for opportunity to trade the share downwards or on a short, your entry level will be under 45 Rand or under the red line here. And your next lows of expectations is 45.05, 44.80, 44.33, 43.75. But take note, 50 Rand 20 will be your stop loss on this specific trade. The next one, Steinhoff. Steinhoff, looking at this chart, there's the blue line here. Share price is going upwards. Look at this beautiful upwards channel on this red line A here. Currently, there's a red line B there as well. Share looks to go higher at this moment. Line B will be 50 Rand at this moment. Just take note of that. If the share comes down on the 50 Rand level, there could be a downside happening on the specific trade here. Lows of expectation is 49.41, 48.53, 48.21, 47.80. Or keep a close eye, it could bounce and go up, but keep close to these levels of 50 Rand. Your exit level or your stop loss level, if you want to go and trade the share down, will be about 54.80. 54.80. Let's go and look at a few shares or indexes. The first index is the J200. Take note. Share did consolidate between this 23.6 and 0% on the Fibonacci. Those levels were 42,500 and 43,318. Almost 800 points. It did break the green line, that's 21 days moving average. It did break the support here, first support of 42,000. Did break down to 42,000. Now, this is the big question. The first low after this is 41,594, and this purple line is going to be a very important level to follow. 41,188 points. You can see the red line, that's the 89 days. It's also confirming this. If this breaks this levels, you most probably see this upward channel starting to do what? Breaking down back to the 39,871 points. Please take a note of this. So let's see if it could bounce here, bounce up again. If it bounces or breaks this purple line and the red line confirmed, you will get downside in this specific share. Let's go and look at BGA. Beautiful, as expected. Breaking up, basically testing this 140 level. We need to see if some profit taking couldn't happen in the short term period. I'm gonna state, need to keep track of this. If this share breaks this 137 rand, rather take your profits, because it could go back to the 133 levels. So still in a positive channel. The blue levels, blue channel here, it's still positive here. The next share to watch will be MTN. Looking at MTN, red channel upwards. Share did break the green one upwards, and the red line upwards. That's the 89 days. Shares going positive. Next expectation of high could here be above 210, 211 if the share can continue. Do you see this line here? That was the current resistance or high levels breaking upwards, and that level will be about 204.57. Keep a close eye on the share. This will be MTN. Vodacom struggling in this moment. Still in the positive channel. There's a positive channel here. Still trading about above this green moving average line. That's 21 day. First support level is 122.85, and the second one is 121.69. If this green lines, both these green lines are going to be broken, you would most probably see the share going back to 120 level. But it could bounce. Let's see where the markets will take the specific share. Shoprite. Look at Shoprite here. Share did break up. Currently went to a high of 147. Please keep note of this first red line. That is 145 rand 12 cents. If it's going to break it downwards, it's going to break the green line. That's the 21 day moving average. And your next low will be approximately 143.50. Please keep a close eye to this trade as well. Mr. Price. Still struggling here on the top. Still in a positive channel. Continues on 151.88. Current close 152.63. Current high. If it breaks this 148 level, it could physically come down. Breaking this red and this trend line here, you could see a bit of downside happening on the share. Let's go and look at Discovery. Discovery is still here in the sideways channel between 77.49 and 79.51, doing nothing at this moment. Aspen, look at the share, still in the positive channel, going up. First level of support is 277.68. We could see most probably a pattern of reversal head and shoulder playing out here. Leg, shoulder, head, shoulder pattern here. This is between the two green lines. That will be the shoulder. If it breaks 271, you're most probably going to see the share coming down. But let's keep first track of this 277 level. If it breaks that, it will definitely go back to 271 in the short term. Imperial. Looking at Imperial, went to support here in the sideways channel here this time. Current low is about 169, current high is about 178. So let's see how this is going to play out, and definitely in the short term for the traders at this time. CPI, Capitec, last one to look at. 180, 195, breaking up, breaking down, breaking up, breaking down as expected. Big question here will be, is this the current low level of support happening here on this green line here? Will it come back to the 180? My suggestion, I'm going to look if it's going to break this 185.77, that you can run back to the 194 levels. Let's see how it's going to play out. Enjoy this Monday. Thank you, traders.